Hello everyone, myself Anushar from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, CSE department. Now I'm going to present about the topic called how to create a graphical user interface using Android Studio. User interface design. User interface design is the process of creating the visual and interactive elements of a software application, website, digital product that users interact with it. An overall look and a feel of the user interface to ensure a positive user experience. User interface design focuses on anticipating what users might need to do and ensuring that the interface has elements that are easy to access, understand, and use to facilitate those actions. In computer or software design, user interface design focuses information architecture. Now let's see the what and all the key aspects of user interface design includes layout, organizing the elements on the screen in a logical and manner considering factors like navigation, content, hierarchy, and user flow. Visual design, it chooses the colors, typography, icons, and images that align with the brand and create an appealing and cohesive visual style. Interactivity, designing buttons, forms, and other interactive elements to be user-friendly and responsive to user input. Usability, ensuring that the user interface is easy to understand and navigate with clear labels and straightforward user interactions. Accessibility, making sure that the user interface is accessible to users with disabilities, such as providing alternative text for images and ensuring keyboard navigation. User feedback, incorporating feedback mechanisms such as error messages and confirmation dialogues to keep users informed and engaged. Here, these are all the types of user interface designs. Those are graphical user interface, command line interface, touch screen interface, voice user interface, voice, augmented reality and virtual reality interfaces, gesture based interface, mobile user interface, desktop user interface, multimodal interface, and at last, natural language interface. There are several types of user interface design approaches, including graphical user interface, which is the most common type of user interface design, where users interact with graphical elements such as buttons, icons, and menus on screens. Graphical user interfaces are prevalent in software applications and websites. Command line interface. In command line interface, users interact with a text-based interface by entering commands. This is often used in programming environments and for system administration tasks. Voice user interface, which enables users to interact with the technology using voice commands, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These are the examples of voice user interface. Touchscreen interface, which is designed for touch-sensitive devices like smartphones and tablets. This user interface relies on users tapping, swiping, pinching to interact with content, augmented reality, and virtual reality. Web user interface, which is specially for web applications, which is designed focuses on creating user-friendly interfaces within web browsers. Mobile user interface, which is tailored for mobile devices. This user interface design prioritizes responsive and touch-friendly elements. Desktop user interface, designed for traditional computer screens, these interfaces often feature windows, menus, and taskbars. Wearable user interface, interfaces for smartwatches, fitness trackers, and other wearable devices which typically have limited screen real estate. Multimodal interface combines multiple interactions methods such as voice, touch, and gestures to provide users with various ways to interact with our system. At last, the natural language interface, which allows users to communicate with technique natural language, often seen in chatbots and language processing systems. Finally, we'll discuss about the definition called the graphical user interface. It is a type of user interface that relies on visual elements and graphical icons to enable users to interact with computers and software applications. Graphical user interface have become the standard interface for most consumer and business software due to their user-friendly nature. Graphical user interfaces have made computing more accessible to a wide range of users by providing an intuitive and visual way to interact with the computers and software. Now let's see how to run the program called the quiz competition in the Android Studio. As you can see, this is the XML code and Java code. Here, this is the output which is obtained by running this code. There will be three categories. We can choose one category, and we can choose the what and all the option we can choose. This is the XML code. These are the categories, three categories. If I click this category, I can choose the option, click on to the start button. The correct answer will be indicated as in the green color, and the wrong answer is which is indicated as a red color. This is how you can create the quiz. That's all. Thank you.